gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and
Honor X50 GT just launched before few days ago. Fast refresh rate AMOLED display, flagship grade powerful processor, 108 megapixel camera, sky cool heat dissipation system, huge battery and many more. Today I'm gonna show you unboxing and first impression of the Honor X50 GT, a powerful phone. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's now get to the unboxing. When you open the white box of the Honor X50 GT, the first thing you will see is the phone itself. It comes with a clear case that looks really good in quality. Inside there is a 35-watt power adapter, a Type-C to Type-A data cable. Speaking about the design of the Honor X50 GT, they have given this color a big name, Paranormal God of War. The design of the Honor X50 GT is pretty similar to the regular version, but it has a golden streak pattern in the center of its silver body, which makes it look sporty. This pattern suits the GT theme well. The phone is 74.5 mm wide, 7.98 mm thick, and weight is around 192 grams. Its back has a matte finish, making it easy to grip and hold on to. The Honor GT series focuses a lot on performance and their prices are usually affordable. The Honor X50 GT comes with a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, and this time it has a better system for keeping the phone cool. Let's test its performance by starting with the gaming. During gaming, there is also a video chat running in the background, which puts quite a heavy load on the phone right now. In its extreme scenario, the game King of Glory is running smoothly at 120 frames per second. After the 30 minutes test, the average frame rate reaches 119.6 fps. The front of the phone heats up 36.8 degrees and the back goes up to 36.9 degrees. The frame rate stays steady without dropping, showing a stable curve, and there is no issue with the frame drop. The average power consumption is also low, around 3.9 watts, and plus the phone has a feature called GPU Turbo X, which helps with gaming performance. When playing PUBG Mobile at 90 frames per second, after 2 hours, the average frame rate reaches 88.9 fps. The front of the phone heats up to 38.5 degrees and the back reaches 37.6 degrees. The average power used during this game is 5.1 watts. And the CPU temperature hits around 67.3 degrees. This time the phone has a heat dissipation system covering 5100 square millimeter, a bionic heat dissipation architecture, and a sky cooling system to manage the heat. The Honor X50 GT also has an AI intelligent temperature control system to manage heat while playing the games. It provides a really good touch response, which is crucial for smooth gaming. When playing the heavy games like Genshin Impact at the highest setting for 30 minutes, it's average around 59.1 frames per second. Plus, it offers an instant touch sampling rate of 1200 Hz during the gaming. Overall, the performance of the Honor X50 GT is quite impressive. The Honor X50 GT comes with a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1.5K. It has a fast 120Hz refresh rate and the 1920Hz PWM dimming feature for better eye protection. The screen can reach a peak brightness of 1200 nits, making the display really good overall. Talking about the battery, it's a huge at 5800 mAh battery. Even after heavy use for the 2 hours, the battery still remaining at 78%, showing a good endurance. However, the charging support is capped at 35 watt, which is decent but not the fastest out there. The GT version is mainly focused on performance rather than the camera, but it still offers a rear-facing dual camera setup, a main 108 megapixel camera and the secondary 2 megapixel depth camera. For selfie, it has a 8 megapixel camera. You can check out the sample photos to get an idea of the camera's performance.
gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your...
As for the price, the base variant started at around 2,199 Chinese yuan, which roughly around 242 pound in the UK. In conclusion, the phone nails it in performance with a great heat control, a good display and a massive battery. However, the camera is a bit below average and the charging support isn't the fastest. So what do you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below. If you have any questions, also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling.